Hello students, today we will study the conjunctive normal form, shortly known as CNF form. Before starting to solve the questions, we will understand what are the CNF form. For it, let if small p, q, r are the propositions, then there are two ways in which a compound statement is said to be conjunctive normal form. Number one, if the preposition are in the form this one, then P conjunction Q conjunction R is said to be CNF form. Or in the second case, if the statements or compound statements are in the form this, then this is also said to be CNF form. So on simplifying the given problems, if we get or obtain the simplification of given statement in the following two forms, then page stop further simplification of the given compound statements, because any combined propositions are said to be CNF form if they can simplify in the following two ways. Let us see some example. Here we have selected three questions. Obtain CNF form first, second and third. Now we will simplify the question number 1, which is Q or P conjunction R conjunction P or R conjunction Q. We know that any given compound statements can be converted in the normal form in 4 steps. First, simplifying by conditional rule, which is absent from this given questions. Implication, which is also absent from this question. Now we will start the given question from step 3rd. We will apply distribution law to simplify this one. So on applying distribution law, we will obtain Q or P conjunction Q or R conjunction P or R conjunction Q. We do not apply distribution law in the second part of the compound statement because it is already in CNF form. Now in this simplified portion, we see that all the components are in conjunctive form. So in next step we will remove all the brackets. We get Q or P conjunction Q or R conjunction P or R conjunction Q, which is our required CNF form, because all the compound statements are attached to each other by the connective conjunction. Okay, in the same way we will take a second question, that is negation of P, implication R, conjunction Q by conditional P, and so on. Now we will simplify this compound statement to obtain the CNF form, which is required CNF form. So firstly we will simplify this by conditional notation and then this conditional notation as negation of P or R, conjunction, and this can be simplified by Q to P, conjunction P to Q. Now in the next step we will simplify all the conditional statements. So this will simplified by P or R, conjunction. This can be simplified negation of Q or P, conjunction, and this can be simplified by P or negation of P or Q. Again we can see that all the compound statements are attached to each other by the notation conjunction. So on removing all the brackets we obtain P or R, conjunction, negation of Q or P, conjunction, negation of P or Q, which is our required CNF form. Required CNF form. One thing here is to be noted, all the compound propositions are attached to each other by conjunction notation, and inside bracket the proposition will be attached by the disjunctive proposition. Okay, then there is a question for you to obtain required CNF form. Thank you. We will meet again for the PDNF and PCNF form.